Here is everything you need to know to build your own cryptocurrency. And no, please don't use it to rug pull retirees out of their life saving. We're going to start off by understanding what a blockchain really is and realize that this is probably the only time it makes sense to use a linked list. Then we're going to understand what actually gets stored on the individual blocks, how proof of work is used to mine for new blocks, and how cryptography ties it all together. But a cryptocurrency is useless unless people can send it to one another and store it in a wallet, and that's what we're going to learn to do next. We're going to understand why a public key lets you find people on the network and a private key lets you authorize transactions and access wallets. Oh yeah, and we're going to have to create a mempool that stores transactions temporarily before they get hashed into the next new block. All of this is great, but it's not really useful unless it's truly peer-to-peer or decentralized, and that's what we're going to dive into next. This bit is important. You have to understand the networking concepts that allow every node in the network to broadcast any updates, for example, new transactions, and to store the latest version of the blockchain, for example, when a new block gets mined. All of this is still what happens under the hood, and in order for you to allow people to access this blockchain, you still need some kind of an interface, such as a command line interface or a web interface. Cheers. Now let's see this on your resume.